Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to determine your IP address or your MAC address on your Windows XP computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to start off by just opening up the Start menu, and then select All Programs, select Accessories, and then select Command Prompt. And now you want to type in ipconfig space / all. Again, ipconfig and then a space / all. Hit enter. So it should give you all the pertinent information you may be looking for, such as your IP address, physical address, and default gateway, and other relevant information that may be useful depending on why you're looking this up, and other relevant information. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.